Hey, this is Mike with Family Handyman, and today I'm going to show you how to install the MyQ Smart Garage Hub by Chamberlain. Now, the main benefit of the hub is that you can control and monitor your garage door remotely. Let's say you're on vacation and you've hired your neighbor to feed your pet. You can let them in without giving them a code. If you've left for work without closing your garage door, it will send you an alert saying that it's open and you can close it right from your desk. And if you're an Amazon user, it works with Amazon keys, so they can drop off your package inside your garage and then close the door. This thing is really easy to install, so let me show you how. Now, the MyQ Hub is a great way to retrofit your old garage door opener to be smart, but it has some requirements. You need a smartphone, you need a wireless router that will reach the garage, and you need a garage door opener made after 1993, but it must have the safety sensors that are mounted on the garage door rails. Now, in the box, we've got the MyQ Wi-Fi hub, we've got the door sensor, a mounting bracket, power adapter, and some mounting hardware. Looks like screws, some anchors, and some Velcro, which will make it really easy. You want to attach the Wi-Fi hub close to an outlet and the garage door opener. So take your mounting bracket and fasten it nearby. Now I've installed the app and created an account. Now I need to add the MyQ Garage Hub to the app. Check all the options to tell the app that you meet all of the requirements. Plug in the hub, then you'll see a blinking blue light. And we see the blinking light. Select your device, then select a Wi-Fi network so that your MyQ Hub can use it. Put in your password and it'll connect to the Wi-Fi. Now the hub is connected to your network. Then the directions say to pull the tab on the door sensor. Then push the button on the front of the sensor. You should see a little red light. Then we'll pair the hub to the door sensor. You should see a really bright light on the front of the hub when this happens. The door sensor is now paired to the hub. Then mount the sensor to your garage door. Now make sure the MyQ logo on the sensor is upright. Then we're going to pair the hub to the garage door motor. You'll select the brand motor on the app, and then depending on which model you've got, it'll walk you through the steps that you need to take. On my model, there's a learn button that I press, and that'll pair with the hub. So now the hub and the opener are paired. So installation is complete. Now I can operate my garage door from anywhere. All I have to do is open up the app, press the button once, it'll say open, press open, the garage door will open up all by itself. For about $40, you can find the MyQ Garage Hub online, and in about 30 minutes of setup time, your garage door will be as smart as ever. So for more smart home tips and advice, head to familyhandyman.com.